All right, Reuben is already outside. He can't wait to meet his new friends. We're gonna put the harness on him. I'm not sure that they're gonna stick around because bulldogs and birds don't always go together, but we'll see. We'll try this out. Come here, Reuben. Come here, buddy. Alright, Mom's gonna try and see if you're gonna stick around. If the birds will stick around. Before we go over there, go up to the edge. Show them who we got. Do it again.
Ooh, hello everybody.
Alright, now what are the odds? What are the odds, Reuben, that they're gonna stick around when they see your handsome face? Probably not so good. But we'll see how hungry they actually are. Who are gonna be the brave ones? No. Hang on, guys. I still get lunch. Come on, Reuben. Come on. Come on.
And they're gone.
Come on, guys. You can do it. You can do it.
They're gone. They're already in the water. There they are.
They kind of are. All right. Well, let me take Reuben to the edge so you can see what he's missing out. Let's go say hi to your friends. He's eating the bread. Don't eat the bread, Reuben. No bread for you. That is a lot. Reuben, what do you have to say for yourself? Okay, they're back. They had a chance to think about it, and they're like, you know what, we do want to be friends with Reuben. Or at least the lady throwing the bread. I wonder what they taste like too. You leave them be though. All right? These are not for eating. They're for throwing bread to. Okay. Now we're done.
All done.
Thanks to everyone for watching, and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button to be alerted the next time a Reuben video comes out. Take care.